Okay, so we are going to start. This meeting is very short today. There is not a lot of talking, and I left a homework for you in the platform like 3 minutes ago. And this is going to be the homework for this week. And the homework is from chapter number 3. And this homework, uh, let me show you. The homework is about, let me, okay, check, hold on. I'm in the platform. Give me 1 second here so I can show you. Okay, go back and see. And here we are, phonetics. I cannot see this. I just left the homework right now. Look, this is lesson number 3. And here you have to do a video. It's 2 minutes video that you have to do it. Let me tell you how you are going to do this homework. You go in the instructions and he's asking you to go to flipgrid.com. You see, let me try that. I'm gonna go, you see, when you select it, you can go just right? Or you can copy that, open a new tab or window and click there. You're gonna go to Flipgrid, you see? That's what's gonna happen. Now, if you see here, you see this? It says enter a flip code. You see that? Now, the flip code is in the homework. Look, hold on. Let me wait. Let me look for, I know. Let me look for the code. Look at the code. I gave you the code. You see? That's the code. Now, I'm gonna copy the code and I'm gonna paste the code in here. Paste it, and I'm gonna go there. When I go there, you see? Phonetics Saturdays, and you have a homework. Look, this is the homework. It says, we're gonna talk about lesson 3, do a 2 minutes video about what you learned from this unit, and you have 2 minutes, right? Now, when you are here, how can you upload your video? Down here, you have a plus sign. You see the plus? You plus, click on the plus, and it's going to ask you for you to record a video. Can you go on mute? I don't know who's, for you to record the, oh God, hold on. Give me a second here. Okay, got it. Now, for you to record the video, you need to have whether a Microsoft account, which is Hotmail, or Outlook, right? Or you need to use your Google account, your Gmail account. So when you click in there, right? Let me see if it works. Hold on, because I am in my account, so I guess it's not going to let me do it. But anyways, let me click. I don't know what's gonna happen. So you see, you click here and it's going to give you your Gmail account. When you click on your Gmail account, maybe it's going to ask for your password if you are not logged in the account. But if you are, you just click one time and it will take you to the window where you are going to record the video. And that's it. That's how you're going to do it. When you finish, let me go back. When you finish recording your video is going to appear here. Here are going to be all the videos. So you're gonna take a picture or screen capture of your video, like there, this screen. Imagine that you're here, you take a screen capture or a picture, and that picture, what you are going to do is, you're going to go to OEM platform, and here you are going to upload the picture that you participated. So you look for the picture, you upload it, and that's it. I can see the video here, right? I can see it here, but I want you to take a picture of it and you just paste it or upload it into the OEM platform so we can have that registered. The homework is about the lesson number 3 on stress vowels. You just read it and you do a little video, not little, a short video, 2 minutes, saying what you understood. Let me know if you have a question so far so I can answer you. So you have no questions? If you have no questions, you can write no on the chat. So Lady says she doesn't listen.
I did it yesterday. I understood everything what you told.
Okay, very good, very good. That's fine. Yeah. Can you listen to me now?
Can you listen to me, teacher?
Yes, I can listen to you.
Hello.
I'm writing. Check the chat.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Good.
Right. Okay. So yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you today. That is the homework. We have no teaching session like last week as we had. And that's really it for today. I mean, when you work with that, like from Monday on, I will be uploading the lesson number 4 works for you. And in that lesson number 4, we are going to focus because there is a lot of information in lesson number 4. Now, I'm going to ask you, oh, yes, Natividad?
Yes, I was wondering if I can make it, if I can do it by my cell phone. I don't know.
Yes, you mean in the platform for the flip grip?
Uh-huh.
Yes, and flip grip. Okay. Flip grip not only in the computer. You can do it through the computer, but you can also do it from your device. For example, look, you can I guess right here on the website flipgrip.com. Look at this. You see this? Look, Google Play.
Uh-huh.
You can download it. Look, I have it installed in my cell phone. That's right, it says installed. You can download it there on your cell phone, and you can do it from your cell phone. That's not a problem. It is the same. It is the same procedure as in the computer. You open the Flip Grip application, and you're going to see a part that says put the code. You enter the code, and then you hit the plus button, and you upload the video.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Now, before you guys go, I have a few questions for you. This is from last chapter because I don't want to go and without asking you. If you know the answer, raise your hand. How many types of vowels do we have in general? How many types? This is from the reading and from the class that I gave you last week.
Teacher.
Yes,
Repeat the
Milagro.
question, please. I didn't
Oh,
listen.
how many types or kinds of vowels do we have in English? If you cannot listen to me in the chat, I'm leaving the question. So you can read the chat and you will see the question there. How many types of vowels do we have in English?
Me, teacher.
Yes,
Like 7.
7 types. Okay,
Yes.
all right. Okay, cool. Now, let me share the screen and tell me if you remember this. Tell me if you remember this. If you remember the regular vowels. Do you remember the regular vowels? You don't? Okay. Well, that's fine if you don't remember. Look at this. Those are the regular, right? Those are the regular. We have it in Spanish. Now, there are other type of vowels. Fundamental vowels. Do you remember the fundamental vowels?
No sé cómo pronunciarlo.
You don't? Okay, let me show you this.
Yes. That's the
This
fundamental.
ah, this is not the correct one, okay? It's because I cannot do it. I cannot do it the correct way, but it is the regular ah. Give me a second. I don't know if you guys remember. No, it's not like that. Hold on. It's not like that. I guess it is like this, right? That's the type of ah that I'm trying to, that I want you guys to see. Yeah, it's too big. Anyways, I don't know if you can see it there, but that's the ah that I'm looking for. Because if you put it like the small one, that's not correct. This is the one that we need, that symbol over there, you see? So I'm going to erase it because I just wanted you to see it. I'm gonna erase this one, okay? And then after that, we have this, and we have this. Now I'm going to ask you a question. We didn't see that before.
No, that's the first time.
Oh, we haven't seen that.
No.
I thought I told you that. Hmm.
Now in the homework, Christopher, in the homework, but that's the first time that I see it.
Okay, well, that's fine. I got confused then. Okay, I thought I had told you about that. Now, in it, did we know that vowels have different sounds, that they have two sounds? We didn't talk about that? No, you don't remember that? Okay, anyways, that's fine. So I thought I told you. Okay, that's okay. Did we talk about the rules? We talk about the rules, vowel rules, shown vowel. You guys don't remember the rules? Short vowel rule, long vowel rule, number one. And we said that vowels have two sounds, that if a vowel is between two consonants, it has a short sound. If a vowel is at the beginning of the word, it has a short sound. And if a vowel is at the end, it has a long sound. Yeah, so you guys know. Let me tell you, we have fundamental vowels. We have five fundamental vowels. The fundamental vowels are very different than the regular vowels because the fundamental vowels, we use it to produce sounds, but the regular vowels, we use them to produce words, written words. For example, you make words with these ones, but these ones are only sounds, right? In this chapter, I don't know, I will try to draw something. I'm going to try to draw something here. Let me know if you saw this. I'm trying to draw something here. Let me know if you see it. In the chapter, there was a little box like this. I'm sorry, I'm nervous. It's not that I'm nervous for teaching, it's just my nerves. Did you see that? Did you see that little chart? Did you see it in the chapter? Oops, what am I doing? You didn't see it? In lesson one and two, and here,
Yes.
oh, okay, very good. Here you have this, right? You have E. Here we had A. Here we had A, right? I cannot do that letter. Here you had U, that's a W. And here we have O, right? Okay. Now, what is this? These are the five fundamental vowels. And they are organized like that because the graphic represents the throat, right? The throat. They are classified. These five fundamental vowels are classified into three parts. So let's see. First, we have these two. Then we have this one. And finally, we have these two vowels. These are called the front vowels. Oh God, this is killing me. This is killing me. I don't have abilities to write with this, but anyways, let me try. Front, right? Front. Oh my God, this is gonna kill me. So these are the front vowels. This one is the middle. That's a D, that's another D, L, E. Middle, and these are the back. Sorry, guys. You see? So now we have front vowels, back vowels, and a middle vowel. Why do we say that they are front, back, and middle? Very easy. Because when you say the words, when you produce a word, there is an origin. There is an origin point for the sound. Like we are going to take we're going to take one word for this one. For E, we're going to take one word, this one. Right? That word. If you say the word, if you say see, right? When you say you listen to the S, see, you will notice that the sound is in the front of your teeth for you to produce it and say see, right? It is there. The tongue is next to the teeth. Oh, there is some music passing by. Yeah, give me a second. That's the phonetics things. Yeah, that's passing. Give me a second. Okay. So when you say see, you notice that when you say it is in the front of the teeth and your tongue is just right there. Right? See. That's why we call it front vowel. But what about this one? As you can see, this one is at the front, but not that at the front as E. So this is A. So what about if we take one word for this and we say this one. You say day. If you want to say day, you will notice that when you say day, it's actually at the front. So you're using your teeth, and when you say the sound is just right there in the teeth. Day, right? So notice, C is at the front, day is at the front, but C and C, you don't have to open your mouth. You say C, and that's it. But in day, you have to open your mouth, but it's still at the front. That's right, they're called front vowels. Now, let's go to the middle vowel. The middle vowel, we have A, right? And we're going to take one word for A. The word for A is going to be this. That's an F, A-R. That's an, oh God, Jesus, give me a second, guys. Yeah, I know you might be laughing at me with this, but let me create a capital R. So this is far, F-A-R, far. When you say far, you will notice that you will have to open your mouth, and the sound is in the bottom there. You have to make like a type of a hole. Look, this is your tongue. You have to put it like that, and the sound is just right in there. Far. So that's why we call it a middle vowel. Then we have the back vowels. So what example can we take for this? I'm going to take one example for this one, and we're going to take one example for this one. So let's go with this one first. Or no, let's take this one. Let me erase. And we are going to give this word, go, right? So this is go. When you say go, you will notice that when you are producing the sound, which is the G sound, go, you need to force yourself from your stomach, from everything, and you say go. That comes from the back, right? That sound comes from the back, and you need to open your mouth to produce that sound. And if you have to open your mouth, it is not at the front, it's at the back. When you say go, look, go. The mouth is open, go. So your tongue, in the back of your throat, the tongue is pushing up. Go is pushing the sound. But what about ooh, We have the word, the sound, the fundamental vowel U. Well, U, we can take this word. This. This word is two. Two. You feel that two, you might say that two is at the front, but it's not because the air doesn't touch the teeth. When you say two, it comes from the back, not as back as go, because go comes from the back inside, but two, two is from the back, but you don't have to open your mouth as much as when you say go. And those are the 5 fundamental vowels. The fundamental vowels are sounds. They're not letters. That's only a representation of a sound. Let me know if you are getting this. If you don't get it, I can go back and re-explain. Okay, maybe you cannot listen to me, I guess. Okay, I thought I had touched that part, but that is fine. Those are the 5 fundamental vowels. Now, don't forget that there are sounds, they're not letters, and the regular vowels, there are letters, and they have 2 sounds, each one. They have a short sound, and they also have a long sound, and that's where the rules come from. Let me know if you have a question. If you don't have it, then we're going to finish the meeting. You can let me know. If you guys are talking, I cannot listen to you.
Okay, brother, I think that everything was really very, very clear. We understood everything. I understood everything what you told. The phonetic.
All right.
Very good explanation. Yes.
All right. Remember that if you have a question, you can write me on WhatsApp, and you have a homework there. So don't miss doing
Yes.
the homework.
Okay, that's it. That is a new homework. We have to make to be.
No,
We have to.
the homework you have now is only the video that you have to do. The one that I explained on
How many?
from Figclip.
Okay, how many? Just one or two?
You have one homework now.
Okay. Okay. Good.
Yeah. All right. So if you have no more questions, I will see you later then.
Okay.
All right. See you.